So now at this point in time, we're going to be going back to switching because that's what we're doing. So basically, one of the switching concepts that we looked at is what we call local area networks. And so a local area network is more like saying a particular jurisdiction or a particular area, which is more like the people be in the same area. And local area network means switching. So basically, when you connected to only switches, is more like saying we are in a particular local area network. But the concept of local area network brings us to what we call a broadcast domain. Earlier on, we saw that every network has a few things that it has a few addressing scheme. It has the network address, which represent the network. It has the usable range, usable IPs, which represents the IPs that can be assigned to PCs. And we had the broadcast address. And we said the broadcast address was the IP address that helps you to get to all the machines within the network. And so basically, when you ping the broadcast address, what you're doing is you're trying to say that you want to get access to everybody within the network. And that's what a broadcast domain is. Broadcast domain is just saying that a broadcast domain is just your environment within your local area network. So basically, typically when we talk about LANs, local area networks, we're saying that everybody within a particular local area network by default will be in a particular broadcast domain, meaning when we send a broadcast message, everybody within that local area network should receive that message because typically those machines will be in the same local area network. So every broadcast traffic. So for example, this one, if I send a broadcast message from this device, because they are all switches, this switch will broadcast this onto all its interfaces. And when it gets here, this switch, if it has multiple interfaces to broadcast it, this one will also broadcast it to all its interfaces. So when we talk about broadcast domain, it's just saying that the boundary for your network, when I say network, I'm talking about your switch network, because any broadcast message I send will be sent to everybody within the same broadcast.